In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage your fixed assets using QuickBooks Online. This tutorial will guide you through the entire process, from logging in to generating insightful reports that track and manage your valuable assets. So, let's dive right in and get started. First things first, we need to access QuickBooks Online. To do this, open up your Chrome browser and navigate to the QuickBooks Online website. Once you're there, you'll need to enter your email and password to log in. Make sure your credentials are ready and remember to keep them secure for future use. After logging in, you'll have full access to the QuickBooks dashboard. Next, let's ensure that fixed asset tracking is enabled in your QuickBooks settings. We'll start by clicking on the gear icon in the top right corner, then choose Account and Settings, and navigate over to the Advanced tab. Now, under the Category section, confirm that the Track Fixed Assets option is turned on. If not, toggle the switch. Also, make sure Enable Account Numbers is on if you need to use them. Once you've adjusted these settings as necessary, don't forget to click Save to apply these changes. Now that you've set up your system for tracking fixed assets, it's time to view the fixed asset item list. Again, head to the gear icon, then select All Lists, followed by Fixed Asset Item List. Here, you will find a comprehensive view of all the fixed assets currently tracked in your company file, providing a clear picture of your business's tangible resources. To add a new fixed asset, look to the top right corner and click on New. Here, you will input all the relevant details about the asset you're adding. Start by entering the asset name, which could be something like delivery van for identification purposes. Fill in a brief description, jot down the purchase date, and enter the cost or original value. Make sure to assign it to the correct account, typically a fixed asset account. If you're tracking depreciation, you can also fill in details like the depreciation account and the asset's useful life. Once everything is correctly entered, click Save and Close to add it to your list. If you need to edit or retire an existing asset, start from the Fixed Asset Item list and locate the asset you want to update. Click the drop-down arrow next to it and choose Edit. Here you can adjust the details such as the value or account information. If the asset is no longer in your possession, you can make it inactive or retire it accordingly. Finally, to maintain comprehensive records of your fixed assets, you can generate detailed reports. Simply navigate to the Reports section and run searches for terms like Fixed Asset Listing or Depreciation Summary. These reports provide valuable insights into your asset values, depreciation, and any disposal history, allowing you to keep a close eye on your company's financial standing. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and report on your fixed assets within QuickBooks Online, ensuring your business remains organized and financially sound. Thank you for watching, and happy bookkeeping.